Namaskar, welcome to TeluguOne Food. I am Ranjit. Today I am going to make roasted bell pepper tomato soup. Bell pepper, tomato, onion, carrot, garlic, oil, thyme, bay leaf, little bit cream, salt, bell pepper and sugar. Oil is a heat. Add to onion, garlic, bay leaf, to bell pepper, and carrot. Add to tomato, added to salt, black pepper, sugar. Water. Once our vegetable cooked, then we'll make it puree. Now puree is ready. Strain it. Now boiling the soup and add the proper seasoning, salt and pepper. Little bit butter. Now complete roasted bell pepper and tomato soup. Now our tomato bell pepper soup is ready.